Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are mixed with wheat down, corn about unchanged, beans up a little bit, and meal gaining on soybean oil. As far as the news overnight, this time of year, we're mostly looking at weather, and so there's going to be some pretty cold temperatures across the Midwest on Friday, and then Saturday, and maybe Monday or Tuesday morning. The coldest areas will be the upper Midwest, and we feel that corn is maybe not long enough, far long enough to cause any damage. And we don't think that it's going to get down into the winter wheat areas, except maybe in Nebraska and parts of Colorado. So I don't think the wheat there may be far enough along. We might see some burning of leaves, but I don't think we'll see a drop in production. Yesterday, one group came out with some big world wheat 2020 crop numbers. They were talking about a crop maybe as high as 776 million metric tons. Feed demand maybe down 4 million tons from last year. So a record carry out of 315 million metric tons. And so that could continue to weigh on wheat prices. In Russia, there was some satellite imagery done, and the wheat crop looks to have deteriorated because of the dry weather. And this morning's maps are a little bit drier for parts of the Balkans, eastern Ukraine, and southern Russia. Again, I don't know if that has a big impact on wheat prices because there's such a steep discount right now between old crop Russian prices and new crop export prices. So with that higher wheat number, it may be hard for U.S. to be competitive in the export market. Today we get ethanol numbers, which should show drop in production, and maybe the production is down enough to equal demand and that stocks continue to drop. But there's still poor margins, and until the virus is under control, we doubt if the gasoline demand will pick up, nor will the ethanol demand come back real quick. Export sales tomorrow should show some slow numbers, maybe in wheat and beans, and maybe some good corn numbers. Yesterday we did see the corn basis domestic. It slipped a little bit as farmers picked up selling where they've got the corn planted. As far as the planting conditions on Monday, should be continued advancements, which offers resistance to prices, and after May 14th, you're looking at weather warmer in the U.S. and maybe shower activity a little bit above normal, which is good for crops here. And then on May 12th, the USDA is expected to maybe drop demand. Oak crop 19 and 20, maybe raise the carryouts, especially in corn. And for 2021, they could show a lower soybean and wheat numbers, a little bit higher soybean demand, a little bit lower wheat crop, but the corn carryout should increase. So that report might be a little negative. So not really a lot of positive things in the marketplace here. Beans are sitting at $8.40, probably will struggle above $8.50. July corn at $3.17, probably will struggle above $3.20, $3.25. And July wheat's at $5.16, a trade below $5 July wheat would probably suggest a new trading range of $4.60 to $4.90. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.